Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a Spotify user and you are wondering how you can view your listening history, you are in the right place. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Spotify listening history on your Android phone in 2025. It's actually easier than you think. Before we get started, make sure you have got the latest version of Spotify app installed on your Android device. You can always check for updates in the Google Play Store. Now, open up your Spotify app. Once you have opened your Spotify app, make sure that you are in your home screen. If you are not here yet, just tap the home icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, to view your listening history, you'll need to click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. There you'll see multiple options. There you'll need to click on Recent. A new interface will open where all the history of the music that you played throughout the days or weeks will be shown. And if you want to play any of these tracks again, just tap on them to start listening right away. So that's how you check your history of recently played music on Spotify. It's super easy and can help you rediscover the songs you might have forgotten about. That's pretty much it for today. We have gone through how to view your listening history on Spotify for Android in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.